Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will let to show to you the way how to make a PNG frame on Picsart. So the first thing you have to do, open your Picsart application, and after that you just need to jump into this blank, go click it, and you will get the blank canvas here, and then you just need to scrolling into the left side, the features down here, and after that you just need to find the feet, and then you just need to choose which ratio that you want to have. So if you want to make the PNG frame for your Instagram story, you just need to go click this Instagram ratio. You can also adjust in the background if you want, but then since we want to make it like PNG, we don't add any background. And after that you just need to go click apply, and in this layer you just need to go click this, and after that go into this sticker part right here. Just go click it and find what do you want to have for the frame. For me, I think I will go with the flower, and go click search, and you just need to add which flower that you want to use for your frame. Okay, let me find for me first. I'll let you make an aesthetic, so I will let you make a crowd flower. I think I will let you do add several flowers here. Go add another stickers, find out the best flower that we can get here. Let's just do those type of things for the rest of the picture, and after you're done you just need to go click this layer, and then you just need to go click this clear, and whenever you're done you just need to go click apply and download this. Okay, so let's just find out, does this work on our tutorial today? You just need to open your Instagram application and just open your story section and add the picture that you want to have, or let's say let's find the picture first here, and let's add the frame that we already made before by go click these symbols and go click these features and add this, and you can see that you already got the frame. There is no background from this picture that we add. So that's the way how to add in PNG frames on a Picsart application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel guys, and I'll see you for the next video.